How to create an Amazon wishlist and share it. 2025 step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Amazon wishlist and share it. So first of all, you have to go to Amazon, visit amazon.com as you can see, and after that you have to access your list over account and list for your stuff and app. On this section, you have to go to this section and click on create a list, and after that you have to name it like birthday wish list or something like that. After that you can adjust list setting like privacy, make it public or keep it private, and manage your delivery address. And after that you have to click on save changes to finalize your list settings. And after creating your wish list, you can go to your lists and navigate back to your list and find your list registry or your wish list, and then click on send list to others and choose a method. You can either copy the list's unique URL and share it through a platform, or use the provided email option to notify people directly. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.